Yes, I, Rastafari. Here I is again, Mr. Rembrandt Lee. Okay, today let's talk about being, right? A very important concept. And they express it quite well in the Volkswagen commercial, right? This idea is true in Caribbean culture and in the language, right? So here it is. When you greet somebody, you say, "Hey man, how you be? How you be, man?" Right? So you don't say what's going on, right? You say how you be. You ask them how their whole being is, their whole essence, the whole thing they is. But you say it in one short sentence, how you be. And the typical response be, "Man, I be safe," right? Or, "Ah man, I heard 10, man, this happened or whatever." But most of the time people just respond like, "I be safe, man." Yeah, safe. And safe is a true thing to your being, right? It's not just that you feel good or everything being alright, it's you safe. Safe is a true essence to what being is. And being is a very important concept when you study metaphysics and higher consciousness, because being is like, it's everything. It's how you think, how you is. It's mind, body, and soul. It's physical, emotional, and intellectual, right? It's the whole triple thing all together, right? It's like a trinity, right? But it's more than a trinity. It's from the oneness, it's from the essence, it's from the whole thing. It's like touching God, right? It's not just what's going on in your immediate world. It's how you be, what's your being, your essence, your aura, your emanation, right? Your whole thing, all together in one thing, right? Beyond your physical and your non-physical, right? Your alpha and your omega of yourself, right? Your physical self and your non-physical self, your true self. And it'd be built in. People don't know about this thing, but it'd be built in to the language, right? Because you ask somebody how you be, and they be safe, right? And if they respond, they be safe, man. Their aura clean, they feeling good, they feel the sun on their back, the sun on their face, man, everything flowing, right? And if it's not doing so safe, and they say they safe, they start feeling safe. They start feeling their being get better. Better and better. Every time, I do these things, I feel better. And that be the point. And it's a very important concept if you study anything. I mean, it's true in the Eastern medicine and Eastern philosophy, true in other walks of life, and other studies of consciousness. If you study Gurdjieff or any type of philosophy, any type of metaphysics, any type of enlightenment, right? Being and essence is, or being, as we say in the Caribbean, how you be, man, right? We don't conjugate it. It's how you be, right? I be, you be, we all be walking down the road, man, right? So, there it is. Keep it safe. Later.